DJ NTV.
Welcome to DJ TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, a very big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. Please go a step further, like this video, share this video, don't forget to drop your comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the very first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video, and check out our website at www.djtv.news. Now let's take it straight up into the main news.
Kanu say Buhari no fit stop e freedom. Plus, Northern Group don talk say they go stop all Igbo business for inside North Nigeria. My people, this na still DJ TV Daily News Update. Mazi Kanu, wey be the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, don talk say e no dey disturbed by the statement wey Buhari make for the interview wey Shanes carry with am. He say because Buhari no fit stop e freedom at all. We go remember say despite the fact say some Igbo leaders go meet Buhari say make dem beg am so that he go fit release Kanu from detention, but on Wednesday he come talk say he no go fit release Kanu from detention o, even if say they like make dem beg am from today till tomorrow. He say because Kanu must answer for that sin when he don commit. Say you no go fit dey abroad make you dey insult everybody wey dey inside Nigeria. Say you go dey insult them like say the country no be still your own. He say e good say make Kanu come dey inside Nigeria, make e answer to the sin when he don commit, so he no go fit release Kanu. He come talk say for those of them wey dey believe say he go release Kanu, say he no go fit release am, say because even Nigerians know say he no dey tamper with the judicial process of Nigeria. But as Kanu wey hear wetin President Buhari talk, come reply the statement through one of his lead counsel wey dem dey call Ifeanyi Ejiofor on Thursday, when he come talk say he no want anything from Buhari, he no want anything from APC government. He say all wetin he want na say make dem give am fair hearing and better treatment. Say make dem no dey treat am like say dem dey treat goat for inside cell. He say make dem dey treat am very well and make dem give am fair hearing when he go come court. The statement wey Kanu release through a lawyer, the statement reads say we no dey disturbed one bit by President Buhari's statement or response, knowing fully well say dem no get case against our client. He say wetin we want and wetin we dey ask for na nothing else but nothing say make dem give us fair hearing, make the executive arm of the government wey dey led by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria make e desist from interfering in the judicial process. When he don talk say e no dey interfere, say make e just stand by that word, make e not interfere for the judicial process, make e allow the court to decide Kanu fate, because we know say dem no get case against our clients. According to Ejiofor, wey still talk say we fit talk am with authority say the executive arm of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey dey led by the president dey gravely dey interfere with our client judicial proceedings. He say Buhari dey talk for inside the matter. He say make e no go out there make e come dey talk say e no dey talk, why e be like say e dey talk inside the matter. He say to demonstrate say good faith and impartiality no dey, say that they call on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria make e first of all caution the Department of State Service DSS, say wey dey answer solely to him, make dem obey all court orders as e relates to the management of Kanu case. As normal as dem dey do am, make our client Kanu make e no dey detained for inside solitary confinement. That mean say make dem no dey torture am anyhow. He say for inside the custody of the same agency that they accuse am of committing sundry offences and expect fair hearing. He say where that one for come dey happen. He say make the DSS make dem hear President Buhari, make dem no dey oppress their clients anyhow for inside the cell. He say because as long as the DSS dey do this thing, he say that means say this case no get fair hearing, and the president of Nigeria wey be President Muhammadu Buhari wey don talk say dem no go fit release Kanu, dey hear and dey see all this one. He say make e call the DSS to order. go fit recall say last November say President Buhari don tok say e go consider the request of some leaders for the southeast region to release Nnamdi Kanu wey dey face treasonable felony charges against am by the federal government. E say although im tell the Igbo leaders say wetin dey ask from am so e dey very extremely difficult, say but e go see wetin e go fit do. But not until as dem interview am for national TV, the president come tok say if Nnamdi Kanu dey willing to return to the country to clear im name from the allegation against am when e take run from Nigeria for 2017, e say dat be the only thing wey e go fit do. E say dis one na institution and e no go dare to interfere with any judiciary process. Don tok say wetin go fit do be say na to give Nnamdi Kanu the opportunity say make e take defend himself for law court, make e no dey abuse us from Europe as e like. Maybe like say e na Nigeria but e dey behave like say e no be Nigeria. Make e come Nigeria come dey criticize us, make e no dey criticize us for Europe. Na so the presido of Nigeria come talk. So guys, this na still DJ MTV Daily News Update, where we dey give una news up to date. If this na your first time wey you take dey see this our video, make you no forget to like this video, make you share this video, and make you still comment am, and also make you also subscribe to all our channel for Facebook, for YouTube, and also on Instagram. Make you remember to check our website www.djmtv.news. Make we go back into the main news. For other news, the coalition of northern group CNG don talk say all the northerners no go support any political party formation or movement wey be like say na to participate for Igbo people. Wetin dem talk be say any party wey go project Igbo man as e candidate, all the northerners for inside Nigeria no go support am. Also talk say make all the northerners make dem stop to dey do business with any Igbo man for inside the north. Any Igbo man wey dey sell anything for the north, make dem not buy anything with am. And according to the northern group, dem talk say this their decision dey come as a result of say the IPOB they don ban the consumption of cow meat for inside Biafra land. According to Abdul Aziz Suleiman, the chairman of the CNG, for one statement wey he make available to newsmen, he come dey cry say the Indigenous of Biafra order for that statement on Monday by Imam Powerful, he say e amount to a grave provocation. He say na serious wahala na dem don cause so for northern commercial interest wey dey for the southeast. Come talk say the well-being of the northerners wey dey stay for inside the Igbo community as minority no go fit dey okay if their market dem no buy am, if the Igbos don consume wetin dem dey sell. E say so if na so e don reach, make dem sell for north part of this country, make dem no purchase anything for any Igbo man wey dey sell something for the northern part of this country. According to the northern group, they say this decision wey dem don take, so e say dem don resolve am, say dem wan pay coin for coin. E say dem no go fit pay coin for note, say na coin dem go pay for coin. E say for any direct or indirect attack or threat to any northerners and their interest anywhere in the country, e say dem go sama am back for the people wey dey their own side. For inside the statement, na so e talk. E say for the avoidance of that, say the northern group, while dem dey maintain their tradition of tolerance and dem dey accommodate people, say dem no go fit take am any longer o. Say dem go dispose anybody wey be like say wan condone act of irresponsibility wey be like say dey for the form of deliberate threat or to intimidate any of them or to harass any northerners wey dey stay for any part of this country dey do illegitimate business. He say this one don reach say any evil utterance, any bad belle talk wey dem talk for inside the past wey go lead to physical attack for their people wey dey stay for the southeast, e say dem no go take am lightly with any Igbo man wey e dey for the north. E say as dem dey pay dem with coin, they themselves dem go still retaliate to still give their coin back. E say that mean say dem no go pay evil for good, dem go pay evil with evil. Na so the statement talk am. My people, una don see wetin we get for una this morning. You don see am say the CNG, which will be the northern coalition group, dem don come out come retaliate. Few days ago, say the Indigenous people of Biafra say make dem no dey buy any cow meat for Biafra land again. That means say no Biafra go buy any cow meat for inside Biafra land take celebrate anything, and now the northern group don come and say if una no go buy wetin we dey sell, we sef we no go buy wetin una dey sell for here. So dem say dem go pay coin with coin, dem no go pay coin with note. Na so the matter come reach. So my people, how una see the thing? If the indigenous people of Biafra don talk say make their people no purchase anything for inside the northern people their hand, wetin make you feel say make the northern people make dem buy something for Igbo people and wey dey do business for the north? How you see the matter? Drop your thought and your comment how e dey do you for body for inside the comment section below.
Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of this video. Please do not forget to like, share this video. Also drop your comment on the issue that was raised, and do not forget to go a step further by turning on the notification bell so you're one of the first person to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Do follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 247. Now do not forget, you can also place your advert here at DJMTV and be rest assured that you will get good value for your money. Now until we come your way again with another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update, do not forget that here at DJMTV we set the standard.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.